Hello everyone. This experiment is about charging a ungrounded capacitor and dismantling it. Here I have a capacitor setup, a thin piece of plastic between two metal plates, and these two are the terminals of the capacitor. And this capacitor setup is well insulated from the table about 3 inches to avoid any grounding issues. The idea in this experiment is to charge this capacitor setup with this PVC pipe and then dismantle it and observe the result at each step. Now I will begin the experiment. As we can see, aluminum foils are diverged at both of the terminals. That is expected because electrons could not get out from this positive terminal and probably distributed along this terminal. Now I will ground the negative terminal of this capacitor setup. We can see aluminum foils at both terminal collapsed and collapsed on the positive terminal probably because of electron redistribution to a normal condition. Now I will remove this terminal and the metal plate. Now we can see there is a huge presence of charge on this positive terminal. If I test the type of charge, it's positive charged. Now the question is, why this positive terminal is now showing a huge presence of positive charge? If I remove this dielectric material, the divergence increases a little bit more, and I can test the type of charges on the dielectric material. It increased a little bit more, and this shows a little bit presence of charge, negative charge at both ends. I will repeat the experiment again. Yeah, this is the question. Why this positive terminal is now showing a huge presence of positive charge here? I request experts to give opinion on this one. Thank you everyone.